Hello everybody, I'm Aidan O Hare and it's great to be with you via the World Wide Web. Man, it's great technology, isn't it? I could talk to all you wonderful people while sitting in our beautiful office here in Scandinavia, Sweden. The reason I'm coming to you is to explain a little bit more about a new challenge that we've got. We're calling it the Winter Challenge, but between you and I, we're going to call it Panic Early. Because you know, this new year, everything kicks off in January. Remember, you've got the Global Rally incentive, you've got your Chairman's Bonus incentive, all kicking off in January. So we want to give you guys kind of a heads up to focus your attention the first couple of months of the year. So we've got this European-wide incentive, and it's called the Winter Challenge or Panic Early. It's really simple. What it does, it asks you to go out and sponsor as many people as you can comfortably work with, and help them and develop them, and we're going to add all the cases up that those people generate in the first 2 months, and then we're just going to say, throw it all in a big list, and if you do over 4 case credits, you'll get a great prize. You do over 8 case credits, you get a great prize. You do over 12 on to 16, you get something even better. And here's the kicker. The person that gets the most, we're going to send you somewhere in Europe to join me at a success day. And we'll have some fun, maybe we'll have some dinner together and we'll have a chat, and possibly we'll be able to do a Skype call with you and your group and explain a little bit more about what makes Forever tick. So hopefully you'll take advantage of this Winter Challenge, and remember, the winner overall, we're going to send you for probably 2 or 3 nights to a city somewhere in Europe where we're having a success day, and I'll be there and we'll have some fun together. But more importantly, do it for you. Don't just do it to come and visit us, do it for you because it helps you build your business. Thanks everybody, we love you all.